This is just a quick review of these dice from Regal Games. I picked up the 100 pack myself. I use these to replace missing dice in board games that I come across that don't have all their pieces. And they're a good quality die. They are flat edged and nice and flat. They're not rounded, and they have an ever so slight rounding to the corners. They're not sharp, but they are flat. And they're a nice weight as well. They're a 16 millimeter size, and they come in a 50, 100, or 1000 pack. This is the 100 that I picked up. And they also come in black for the 50 piece and the 100 piece, so that's pretty awesome. And the black are super sharp looking. I would totally have gotten those if I weren't replacing standard dice because they're super good looking. Overall, I'm very happy with these dice, and I would recommend them.